this is the July Asos beauty box. This edit is called the Festival Edit. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video is this. So this is the July beauty box. This box is the Festival Edit, I believe, if I can remember correctly. So let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button just here, give it a little tap, come and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. So first of all, I'd like to apologise for the angle that this is done in. I'm in my beauty room at the moment and I'm on the floor in a corner. And you are balancing on a very low box. I've broke my attachment for my tripod for my iPad to sit on it. I've just ordered a new one, so hopefully things will resume as normal soon. I ordered a few other things as well, just for some future videos. So the first thing I ordered was this. So this is by Revolution Hair Care London, and this is Revive Dry Shampoo, freshness and revitalizers, for daily use. What is that? Caffeine bubab. I can't pronounce it, sorry. And it just says for normal to oily hair. It's got 0% talc in it. So yeah, thought I'd give that a go. Also got this as well. So this is by Hairburst, and this is Volume and Refresh Dry Shampoo. And it's shampooing, second volume and refresh. So this is just a small one, just to give it a tester. This was more expensive than that one, so I thought, yeah, why not give it a go. Do you know any other names of dry shampoos that I could do any videos on that you would recommend that you find good? That would be good. Comment down below. Next I got this. I saw it and I had to get it. I quite like the brand Yes To. It's a Korean brand, isn't it, I believe, and this is a spray on hair mask. So I love hair masks as it is, and when I saw this as a spray on one, I kind of just wanted it for the novelty factor. But it just says Yes To, an easy use hair mask with tea tree and sage oil to bring sweet relief to an itchy scalp. Just spray and slay. Yeah, scalp relief. So yeah, we'll give that one a go as well. Next I got, oh that's right, I can't remember what I've ordered. Next I got this. So again, this is by Hairburst, and this is another hair mask. It is Long and Healthy hair mask. So yeah, thought I'd give that one a go. Again, because it's not too expensive, but because it's on the slightly more pricey side, I just got the little one to try out to see if it's any good. So them are for future videos, but the main reason why we are here, it is this is the Festival Edit Asos beauty box. Very nice funky looking box. Let's open her up and have a little sneak peek. We have the edit card. It has a little bit of information on there about the products in here, which is fab. If you are interested in this, I will link the Asos website down below in the information box. Give it a click. I think there is still some of these boxes left. I think, don't quote me on that. And there is your sneak peek. Let's pull things out one by one, have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Right, so back to the edit card just for a moment, and we will read the little note at the top and then we'll go through the products. So it just says the ultimate festival lineup. It's the time of year again, festival season. The season that makes even Euphoria makeup look low-key. Where glitter goes everywhere, gems are your bestie, and eye masks are not a want but a need. This month's Asos beauty box has all of this and more. So let's gaze at the star-studded lineup together. Then it has some write-up here about the products. Because it doesn't really go into detail about the actual products, I'm going to pop this to one side and we're just going to go through the products one by one and have a little nosy at them. The first thing I've pulled out the box is this. I'm loving the packaging. This is by the brand Luna Daily and this is the Everyday Spray to Wipe. Okay, eco alternative to wipes. It's 100 mils that you get. It just says instantly turns tissue into eco-friendly, skin-friendly wipes. Okay, I'm very, very interested in having a go at that. Let's just have a look at the spray. So I've just sprayed it there. Yeah, smells exactly like a wipe. How strange, but how interesting. Yeah, can't wait to try that out. The second item I've pulled out is this. So this is by the brand Moschino. I hope I'm saying that correctly, I'm probably not. And this is a perfume and it's called Toy Boy. I love these perfumes by here because they're so cute. Yeah, look how cute it is, little teddy bear. Is this a boy one? Just popped a little bit on there. Let's just rub it on in. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Is that a man's perfume? I think a man or a woman can get away with wearing that, if I'm honest. And I probably am going to wear this, whether it is a man's perfume or not. But look how cute. The third item we have is this. So this is by Coola. I think that's it, Coola. And it's SPF 30 organic makeup setting spray with hyaluronic acid. Ooh, how much do we get in here? It does not say how much we get in here. Oh, it does, I'm lying. It's 10 mils that we get in here. Enough to try for a few times. Yeah, let's have a look at the spray on this. I love setting sprays. Hopefully it's good. Ooh, nice mist. You can smell the sunscreen in that. Okay. It seems pleasant enough, if I'm honest. I suppose we'll have to try that out to see exactly what it's like. Fourth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Rituals and it is the Ritual of Karma and it is Soul Shimmering Body Oil. I think I have some of this, but I love Rituals body oil, especially the shimmer one. And it smells so good too. So that's a nice little size. What is that? 30 mils. So yeah, not bad. Next we have this product number 5. And this is by the brand Lancaster. And this is face cream. SPF 30 high protection. I think we've received this in another box, one of the boxes that I've opened this month so far. But I love getting sunscreen, absolutely love it, and look how cute it is. It's absolutely adorable. So yeah, and a really great brand too. Number 6 we have is this very pretty packaging. This is by the brand OPV Beauty and it is metal and liquid glitter. So it hasn't got a shade on there. I'm presuming this is the shade. It's 910. And yeah, it must be like a liquid eyeliner. But let's just... I suppose you could do anything with it really. It's very pretty. Sorry about the lighting. And that's like a goldy colour. But thank goodness it's not like that yellowy gold. It's got a yellow tone to it, but it's more closer to like a champagne-y yellowy gold. That makes no sense, sorry. But yeah, it is very pretty. The 7th product we have is this. So this is by the brand OK. And this is a vitamin C eye mask. I love eye masks. It just says with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, it depuffs and brightens. I need lots of brightening. So yeah, you just get one pair of eye masks in here. A lot of packaging just for one pair, I must say. But I do love the brand, so yeah. And it's vitamin C. Yeah, these are going to get used up straight away. Then with it being a festival box, we have some more related items to a festival. So we have these. I haven't seen these in ages. This is hair tinsel. And this is by the brand Easilocks. I used to do beauty stuff years ago and hair tinsel was one of the things that I used to do. So it has a little diagrams on there showing you how to pop in. Be very, very careful when you pop this in your hair, because you kind of tying a little knot at the top of your head with like 1 or 2 hair strands. Just be careful that you don't pull that hair out. But yeah, very pretty colours as well. Yeah, I wonder, am I too old for these? I don't even know. But yeah, they are cute. The last and final item in the box we have is this. Is this product number 9? I think it is. So these are little rhinestones. They are face, body and hair jewels. And it just says, is that the name of the brand? In Your Dreams? I think it is. So yeah, they're actually really pretty. Depending on what you want to do with them, yes, you can put them on your face like it says, or you could actually use that for nail art, or if you're into crafts, stick it on some cards or anything. You can use them anything that you want. Very nice as well, iridescent ones, very, very pretty. And yes, that is my box empty. So did I mention the price of the box? I don't know. If I didn't, this box was £15. So with 9 products in here, yes, they're not full sizes by any means, but there's some really interesting products. And because there's 9 of them and some great, great brands, I think definitely worth the money. There's not one product in here which screams, yes, I am the star of the show. But a very nice box to get. Definitely very, very glad that I've bought this. When I buy this, I don't look on the website at the pictures or the description. I want a surprise when I open it. What are your thoughts on the festival box? Comment down below. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.